Welcome back to my channel. How are you? Today we have a broken electrical plug and I will show you how to fix it. I will cut this plug off. And I will use a grinder to smooth out the plastic outside until I can see the aluminum core inside. We will take it out and we'll remove the bad plastic part. And we have two aluminum cores like this to connect. Look what I have here, two plastic bottles I will reuse. What you need to do next is cut the top right where the bottle cap is. Be careful. Do the same with the remaining empty plastic bottle and you will have two ends with the bottle cap attached. You will have to sand them again to get them close together when we connect them together. And we use a handful of bottles and use a drill to drill a hole in the middle to put the electric wire in. You will drill two corresponding holes in the remaining bottle cap so that we can attach two aluminum bars to it. Put the wire in and then we use pliers to press it firmly to make sure it won't fall out. Look, what do we have here? It's baking soda. Do you know the power of it? If not, I'll show you. You need a small amount of baking soda to test its power. And then you will put glue on them, and wait to see the results. You see the power of it, it is such a great combination. The compound created is hard as rock. And we will use these two compounds to apply to repair the broken electrical plug. You will have to be careful if you don't want the glue to stick to your hands. We will adjust the two aluminum bars to be straight and parallel to each other, avoiding distortion. Next we will use hot glue to stick the two bottle caps together, the part you smoothed before. Continue adding baking soda to the cap like you did with the previous bottle cap. Screw the cap back on and you have a secure and safe electrical plug. Depending on your taste you can edit this newly created plug. Here I will use black tape to tape it, simply because I like it that way. So we have a new plug without having to spend money to buy one. And now let's test it out. Good luck to you all. Don't forget to leave your comments about this video. Thank you for watching.